astronauts are chosen to go on a mission. So let us assume those four to be A, B, C, D. Each of these astronauts can take three personal possessions with him. So each one can take along with them three possessions. Four astronauts each can take three possessions with him. How many different ways can these 12? So how many in total 12 can be arranged in a row if each astronaut's possessions are kept together? What does it mean? Each astronaut's possessions are kept together means this person's possessions should be together. Same way another astronaut possessions should be together. Same way this person's possessions should be together, same here. That means this entire tree is considered to be one unit now. This also one unit. This also one unit, this also one unit, since they all should be together. So now how many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. These four can shuffle or jumble in themselves in 4p4 ways. A is now outside the block. Now let us consider inside the block. These three positions can change themselves in 3p3 ways. Same thing here. These three can change themselves in 3p3 ways. Same here. These three can change in 3p3 ways. Same thing here. Am I clear? This 4p4 is outside. These four blocks can shuffle themselves. This 3p3 is for this one. Second 3p3 is for the second block. Third 3p3 for the third. Fourth 3p3 for the fourth block. This is your answer. Now next sum. In how many ways can 5 boys and 3 girls? So initially write the condition. 5 boys, 3 girls. Stand in a straight line. If the boys are next to each other, so all the boys must be next to each other. Total are 8. That means I need to place 8 blanks. And in that, boys should be together. Means these entire 5 boys should be considered as one unit. So 1 along with 3 other, total 4. These 4 can shuffle themselves in 4p4 ways. This entire block is one unit. 2, 3, 4. So 4 can shuffle themselves in 4p4 ways. Now inside the block, these 5 boys again can shuffle within themselves in 5p5 ways. So this is your answer. Whenever they should be together, consider them to be one unit. And write for outside block, then inside shuffling, you place it here. That will give you the final answer.